I'm not the host. I'm the host's friend. I'm not the host. I'm the host what? Friend, yeah.
I'm the host. It is gonna be good. Anyway, hi guys. Welcome to Just Step Out channel. My name is Marsha, and I appreciate you for always clicking to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. That's your support to me. So today's on a Friday. The weather is so beautiful outside. The sun is shining. Summer is finally here. And I'm hosting the girls, Mux and Leah. Probably have seen them somewhere in my channel. We are having a sip and paint. I'm just gonna go down there just now. I'm just gonna go down there and prepare the garden and do some decorations, so stick around for that. I did some, but I improvised to get some of the decorations myself, as you will see. And the other things that we had, I bought them in Teddy, in Pakro. You can find them there. But it was actually Mook's idea to have this painting sip, and as we talked about it, I just thought this is a very nice, a great idea to provide like a safe space, I would say, where we can just sit down and talk and catch up and, you know, talk on what is going on with our personal life. Everyone needs a listening ear, I would say. It's natural, we are humans, we all need friends. Sometimes you need to get out on your comfort zone. When you have time, we both have time. We are busy with work and school, and when we get a chance like this, it's always fun to just sit together and talk and sip and paint and have fun while at it. And I thought it's such a nice idea. So as the host, I have prepared I'm gonna go and prepare and decorate the painting station for them. So when they're here, they'll just put their materials and we can get right into it. I'm so excited. I never did a sip and paint before. I'm so glad for this opportunity and I'm glad to do it with my girlfriends, and I'm just looking forward to it. So for now, let's go to the garden, do the decorations, and we're gonna catch up later. So I'm that girl who does not always run to the shop to buy little things that I need. I'm trying to make some decoration for the table outside. A piece of old cloth and a pair of scissors and a pair of old t-shirt, depending on the color that you like. So I'm going for blue, pink, and white. So let's see how this turns out. It should be nice. You should not even be able to tell it was what is the name when you're not buying something new and you're using something else instead? Okay, I have to remember that name. I completely forgot. But yeah, let's see how it's gonna turn out.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between, the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road. Weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow.
So let's go pick up Mox and Leah. They should be here somewhere. Ato! Angels. Hi, angels. I'm angels in white. They have arrived. Nah, karibuni. Yeah, you like it?
It's Friday afternoon. We are having a painting and sipping session. Me, Masha, who is behind the camera, and Leah.
Leah is back. Oh my God, we missed you.
So we are about to start painting now, and yeah, just have good vibes for the afternoon. Yeah, Good Friday.
Good Friday.
Yes, and our host is behind the camera, Masha. She did a great job. Did you see that? Best job ever. Yeah.
Masha,
So
what are you drawing?
I'm going to draw a picture of a little compound, like something homely, because I like being at home. I like the feeling of having a home, somewhere to return to. So I'm just gonna draw a picture of just like a home and a compound of it.
Super.
Really nice.
That sounds nice.
But anyway, what you drawing?
So I'm drawing a palm tree on the beach
Yeah.
because it reminds me of Mombasa, the city where I grew up in
Oh, okay. Let's wait for the end result because does not look anything like Mombasa.
Kenya. This is just a sketch.
All right. Leah, what are you drawing today?
I'm drawing lavender.
A lavender. There's one behind you. Okay.
Not a lavender.
Yeah.
I'm drawing a lavender because I love the smell of lavender.
Yeah.
And it's my favorite flower.
Yeah.
And I was in south of France for 2 years.
Yeah.
A lot of lavenders.
Okay.
Everything lavender. Soap, lavender, everything lavender. My favorite scent. Mwah.
Sunshine, blue skies. I gotta cry. Nearly supposed to cross crying. Feel that pain, oh yeah. Listen, I love you. Night sounds strange. I wish you would rain. I'm nearly supposed to cry. I wish you would rain. I wanna go outside. I wish you would rain. Sunshine, blue skies. I gotta cry. I'm nearly supposed to cry. Listen. Listen. I love you. Night sounds strange.
Leah, your lavender turned out so good.
Thank you.
So let's see what Her Highness is doing.
I'm finishing up the ocean.
It's looking good. So let's give her time to finish. Let's see what I did. That's my compound.
I do my home.
Yeah, I have a house there, a shed. There's a river flowing down there, some chickens, a garage. It's a whole vision.
Manifestation. Do you know what you're drawing?
I don't know. I want to see. You have to inspire me what you're drawing for the second one. Ria, you know what you're drawing?
No, I don't really know what I'm drawing, but I think maybe I will draw a sunset. I don't know.
A sunset.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sunset or sunset. Because to draw something that signifies a beginning of something.
Okay.
A new beginning.
A new beginning.
Okay.
A new beginning. So the theme the theme of our second picture is new beginning.
For Leah.
That was a theme for all of us. Yeah.
Okay, then I will find some inspiration.
That's really nice for me.
That's actually okay.
A new
Because
beginning.
we all have something that is gonna start. You know? So it's a new beginning.
New beginning.
Painting. And it's always nice to be positive when you're starting something. And not to be afraid.
Yay! So 2 new beginnings. It's like a seed, then it grows to a small plant, and then it's like grows to a plant. It's like a new beginning. I don't know, a new growth.
Very nice.
Very nice. You have not seen the drawing, but thank you.
Neat.
But tell me about your drawing.
So the door is open, as you can see. I hope you can see.
Okay.
It's open to signify a new beginning. Yes. Very nice.
Very nice. An open door.
So,
Leah, tell me about your drawing.
those are tulips.
We have seen the open door.
Those are tulips.
Yeah?
Those are tulips.
Yeah?
Every falling.
Spring.
Every spring we have tulips.
Yeah.
That signifies a new season. That means a new beginning.
That's really nice.
Something like.
Wir schön. Also Leah und Mux, ich bin dankbar. Ich bin einfach dankbar, dass ihr beide hier wart. Und danke euch für Zuschauen. Wir sehen uns bald. There will be definitely a part 2 of this sip and paint, so stay tuned for that. And again, thank you very much for watching and for always coming back to watch my videos. So see you soon.
Hii hata siwezi onyesha jamani, kwanza hata inaumba.
Anyway, looks like a spider, but we will.
Every end has a every end has a beginning, or every beginning has an end.
A sunset, that would be nice.
The wine is kicking in. Every end has a beginning.
Okay, let's draw the beginning which has the end which has a beginning.
Nichore mandizi ya kunikumbusha Kisii.
So, I can only see your nose.
This is too close. This is TMI. Please.
Okay.
Yeah. Mama nichore Kardashian.
How are they inspiring you?
Wakifanya nini Kardashian? Sijui wakitembea. Haya, ngoja inakuja. Huko umenifunza hiyo. Huko umenifunza hiyo part. Unaanza